shelter. Stupid fronds! Near every log, behind every leaf. Pure terror. Night is approaching. I need shelter now. There, a clearing. Logs for cover. This must work. No choice. These trees could anchor a shelter. I can't invade the nymptic shelter. Stupid fronds! Oh, damn it. No time. Water first. Everything else second. Coconuts. They have water. I have to get them. There you are. Precious treasure. No escape now! Clean and efficient. Sharp edges. Survive most hill. Real meal imminent. Day 2 survival achieved. Yeah! Escaped again. Defensive capabilities against larger threats. A hunter must create her arsenal. Never thought I would actually use the knowledge. Perfect for hunting. There they are. Time to begin. Fresh tracks, deep impressions from a heavy animal. Wild boar. These are recent.
Jag vet en bred segment town. But this is my build. Scared.
This stream will be part of my daily routine. This jungle is denser, more primordial. Those ancient trees tower overhead. Fruit. Wonderful, delicious fruit. Small red and purple berries, thorny branches. Some jungle berries are poisonous. Bird droppings, birds eat them and survive. Ah, papaya trees. Perfect. So sweet and juicy. The smoked boar is incredible, so rich and smoky. Beckenbauer's at a real feast. I almost feel peaceful. A strange, unfamiliar emotion now. What was that sound? There you are. Hope you're bigger than any turkey I've ever seen. On its body. She grabs the long neck with both hands. Hunt successful. Brutal but necessary. I've proven myself capable. This sunset is beautiful. I feel at peace. Fire's burning low, time to add more fuel. Shelter seems solid, no breaches. Weapons in reach, food secure up high. Checklist complete, all needs are met. A king cobra. Still dry.
I can't keep this up.
Rescue or stay forever. Today, I build a signal fire. I need high visibility, dry fuel nearby, and protection from wind. This point of land is perfect. Perfect sightlines for passing ships. Location chosen. Patience required. This fish looks delicious. Nothing yet on the horizon. A helicopter? It has to be. This is it. My chance. Hope is the final survival tool. Never surrender. Something large hides under a rock ledge. And they wave into the water? A lodge or watch. All right, lobster. Heat and water. That's the principle. In you go. It's heating up already. Perfect. Sweet and tender. Best seafood of my life. This signal fire needs to be huge. It has to be visible for miles. I'll use everything from the beach and jungle. There. This will burn bright, visible for miles in every direction. If anyone is looking for survivors, they will see this. I have to make these signals impossible to miss. 20 feet tall for the planes. Arrow to the fire, they'll see it. Rescue, or this is home. The helicopter, it's coming from the north. It must see this. It will see this. Keep the fire burning. Morning will come, ships travel during daylight, another chance will present itself. She must be ready. Vigilance continues through the long night. This signal fire keeps me visible. Driftwood frames, like in the jungle. Weaving palm fronds for the roof. The breeze here is much better than the jungle. These should catch the sun's angle. Now to align them for maximum reflection. That should do it. Someone has to see this. Mussels and clams. The sea is still generous. This will keep me going for now. Enough smoked meat for 3 more days. Coconuts available as needed, fish catchable daily, fruit accessible in the jungle. The real Izive here brings both comfort and sadness. For tonight. Rescue might be coming. I must be ready.
Come on, lights, please! Yes, billow up! Hey, over here, please see me. Come on, look at the smoke! Hey, over here, I'm down here. Yes, come on, keep coming. It's turning, it's heading right for me.
Easy now. We've got you.
Thank you. It's been 5 days. Hold still. This will sting a bit.
There. All set. Rest now. Here's some rice and fish. It's simple, but it'll help.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. It's perfect. It tastes like a feast.
We'd lost you forever. Sis, you're safe. I can't believe it.
I'm home. I survived.